Welcome to the coaster.
In the dark.
Oh my goodness, it's amazing in the dark.
Pitch black is so
Oh my gosh, that is incredible.
What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Cheetah Hunt at Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida at night. As you guys can see at the end, it does get very dark, and for the video purpose I apologize, but it makes for such an awesome ride experience. Kind of reminds me of Space Mountain at Magic Kingdom. You're just on this coaster and you're just going in blind, and I love it so much. You guys have to check this ride out at night if you haven't yet. If you guys like this video, go ahead and check out some of our other Busch Gardens ride POVs. In the meantime, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.